Judge Dewey Arthur seemed to be getting angry at the defense attorneys for Carly Gregg, accusing them of legal maneuvers, ambush tactics, and stall maneuvers. All of today's hearing centered on the question of her legal state of mind at the time she shot and killed her mom.
Purpose of discovery is to reach the truth. It is not to ambush either side.
Rankin County Judge Dewey Arthur accused the defense attorneys for now 15-year-old Carly Gregg of intentionally withholding their mental evaluation reports. The prosecution says she's competent, but the psychologist who performed that evaluation says she can't do more in this case.
Working on my competency report and reviewing records that I had received, I believe on 2 days prior to my interview of Ms. Gregg, it seems that medications are going to be relevant to her mental state at the time of the alleged offenses. As a psychologist, I do not have expertise in medications.
In court, it was revealed that the then 14-year-old girl was getting psychological help prior to her attacking and killing her mom and wounding her stepfather. The defense is expected to argue that her doctor had changed her medications not long before she attacked her family.
The state only did half a report. They did a competency as to whether or not Carly is competent to stand trial. I think that's a waste of government resources, as the defense never said she wasn't competent to stand trial.
I don't think we're missing anything. I think everything's already been turned over. We're just working on the report, and we're getting that out as quickly as we can.
The judge accused defense attorneys of delay tactics in presenting its evidence for discovery, despite repeated warnings. The defense still has not presented its psych profiles of Gregg, and the judge said that will no longer be allowed.
I'm going to be frank, if the young lady was suffering from a mental defect or an illness or medication, then she should be set free. But if she's not, period. That is a perilous argument.
Carly Gregg remains in solitary confinement in the adult jail here in Rankin County. The judge says he wants all the evidence in her case turned over by the end of business tomorrow. If there are any plea deal offers, he wants those in by Thursday. Carly Gregg's trial is set to begin September 16th. If convicted, she could get anywhere between 20 years and life in prison. We're live tonight in Brandon. Scott Simmons, 16 WAPT News.